Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Adam, and if you watched my last video, then I introduced you to my employer, Slater Cabinets and More. And in the spirit of that, I wanted to bring you along for a new project we're doing. It's a new construction home, probably in the price range of $1 million, multiple kitchens and multiple bathrooms. So yeah, pretty excited about this one. Now, if you've made it this far, you also know I end up working on this alone. So stick around to the end of the video and you'll find out what ran off the rest of my crew. So thanks for watching. So there we go. You saw the first 4 days at the job, and after day two, I was pretty much on my own. So if you haven't guessed it yet, unfortunately, after the first 2 days of working, felt progressively worse and came home Tuesday night and took a COVID test. And unfortunately, I have come up positive. So that is why I'm filming this video from my basement. And it's also why I'm wearing my pajamas. Because by day four, I was really dragging. And day five, which was Friday, I honestly didn't get off of this couch. So I am isolated in my basement. And it is Saturday now. And hopefully, I will be getting over these symptoms and be back at work. But when I do, we will have a follow-up video and show you the progress that we made and yeah, the final product. So if you like the video, like the comment, feel free to leave a comment down below. Planning on doing more of these videos, and hopefully they won't be interrupted by illness. But hey, you gotta do what you can do, and hopefully any day now I'll be back to work. So thanks for watching.